What's up, guys? This is Mark at On the Mark Detail. Just got this early birthday gift from my girlfriend. Super excited to open it up and do an unboxing of the new Adams Pressure Washer 2.0. So I have a Sunjoe. I'll show you which one I have. I have a couple pressure washers. I have a small small steel one that's just for like around the house, and then I have this Sunjoe one that works pretty well. I think it's 2300 maximum, and the hose on it's terrible. It works really well. It's pretty quiet. I don't really have any qualms with it, besides the fact that the hose is terrible and I don't really want to invest a bunch of money in it. So I saw a video online about how nice the hose was on this and how accurate the pressure was and everything. So yeah, I really wanted it. So my girlfriend was kind enough to buy it for me for my birthday, early birthday present. I'm gonna turn 37 in a couple weeks. So we are gonna open this thing up and see what it's all about. So it's a box within a box. Okay, so we're gonna open the box within a box. And this is Adams 2.0 pressure washer. The first one had some flaws to it. Apparently. Okay. So this is the box. This is how it comes. This is it. Nice box. I'm going to aim this down here a little bit. And we are going to open it up. And we are going to test it out tonight because I was there to get a wash. My girlfriend's Alfa Romeo Stelvio. So just took a trip. Now it's all dirty. Okay, so nice packaging. It's all bundled up in there really nicely. So that's nice. Not banging around in there. I'm gonna pull the hose out. Nice long hose. The thing I did like about this is that it's got the rotating quick connects. So when you hook it up, you're going to be able to use the swivel gun. And I do have another gun on my Sunjoe, but it's pretty much specifically, if you like correct English, for just for the Sunjoe. So, all right. I'm gonna pull this guy out. Here's the wand. Looks almost identical to the one that I have on the Sunjoe. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay. Pull up. Oh! Okay. Watch yourself when you take that out. Okay, so we've got 4 different nozzles in there. I do like the way that these go in and out of here. My Sunjoe, it's kind of a clip in and it's kind of difficult. These are just kind of a rubber. They have like a little rubber housing inside there, so they're really easy to take in and out of there. Which is actually like, it's the little things sometimes, you know? So that's cool. So we're gonna install this. I don't see any directions. So let's see here. Trying to figure out where this goes. And this is a quick up and down action on that, which is nice. When you're going to go put it away, you can just go up and down with it. So, yeah, I'm not sure where this goes. Does it go here? No, I don't know. Let's see if it has directions. Oh, here's some directions. Okay. All right. So, let's pop open the directions and say what the read what this says. Okay, let's see how. Oh, okay. So this just goes, this little bottom piece just goes right down here, facing down. Looks like we're going to have a couple screws that go in there. Looks like there's a total of 4. We'll see what those, I think those other ones might go to these, I'm not sure. So we're going to need a screwdriver, so let me grab that real quick. Okay, so I'll grab a screwdriver. Yeah, it fits really nicely in there. You just put it all the way, put it most of the way down. Okay. Kind of a strange design, really. Okay, so basically you have to kind of jam it in there because it has some pieces that you have to, you'll understand once you get it. Okay, here we go. So you do have to kind of push this down firmly into some other plastic pieces in there, and then you're good to go. You can actually see the metal and the hole once you get it in there properly, which I didn't do in the first place. Okay, so that's in there good now. Okay. Then we've got this adapter here that we're going to put this way. Alright, so this goes on the back side here. There's a little cover that you take off right here. That goes right over here. So pop this cover off. Then you'll take this little adapter here and screw it on. That, like, we're done pretty much. Pretty easy setup. It's hot out today in Washington. Okay, so here, it doesn't look like it matters which end is which end. They're both the same. So we just take this, plug it in. Feels good, nice quick connect. So then we're left with these two things here. These these two holders that it comes with. It's pretty self-explanatory where they go, well, at least this one. That one clips right on there. And then this other one clips down below. Right down here. The other one clips right down here. Okay, that's for the wand. I think that's for like, it's kind of weird because I think that's for like a full-size wand. And we have a snub nose thing that I think that Adams came up with. So, got this. It's already in there. So we're ready to rock. Ready to rock. So we're probably going to grab, I don't know, I generally use the green one when I'm washing. It's a 20, looks like a 25-degree angle on that one. So looking at this, we know that we can move this around, we can spin it all the way around. It's not going to bind up. My Sunjoe does not do that, so I'm constantly having to unwind this thing, and the cord's not very long, so I can't even make it around a car without it running out of space. So, alright, so we're going to hook this thing up here. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got the hose. We're going to connect it to the front here. We've got the power cord plugged in. We're not going to wait to turn that on until we have some water running. I've got the power plugged in here. Really long cord too. I'm impressed with how long the cord is as well. I'm probably not going to need to use that because I have a long extension cable, but pretty nice. We've got water going now. Tiny bit of dripping, but it looks like it's coming from the hose and not the fitting, so that's my hose. Okay, so we turned this thing on, it primed really quick, extremely quiet. Lots of hose. And this thing is really impressive on how fast it turns on and off. It's instantaneous. So it doesn't sit there and keep running like my Sunjoe does. Or, yeah, it's nice. Yeah. So we're gonna fill this bucket here, and then we're gonna hit the car really quick and just see how this thing works. It's already looking really, really nice. Alright guys, so we're gonna use Chemical Guys Max Suds, excuse me, 2. We're just gonna use a couple ounces in there, no need to go crazy. Hook this up and see how it does. We got some warm water in here. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of move it around, mix it around a little bit. We don't want to shake it and make a bunch of bubbles. Alright. So, let's see how she does on the test of the foam gun. And then, you know what? I've decided we're going to compare the Sunjoe, the 2300 PSI Sunjoe after this, and see how noisy it is and see how it foams. So, hey, why not? Okay. Oh, yeah. This thing's really quiet. Okay, so as you can see, this thing clicks on and off instantly. And it's not very loud at all. It's not like my other one is. So we will compare that in a second. We're going to wash this thing real quick. Just do kind of a one-layer wash, and then I will show you the rinse process, and then I'll show you the Sunjoe and see how that does. Alright, I can tell you right now I can walk around this car with ease with this hose. How long it is. With the Sunjoe, I could barely get to the back before I ran out of hose. So, very frustrating having to move the Sunjoe around all the time. Very, very annoying when you're trying to detail a car. So, this hose is super refreshing. It moves, I can adjust it, it doesn't get all bound up. The machine is quiet, it's fast, turns on and off very fast. Yeah, so far extremely impressed with this. I'm going to hit it with a little bit more shampoo. Foam action. Got the bugs. Okay, now we're going to test the Sunjoe that I was using before. And we're going to see what that does, how loud it is, all that fun stuff. So, as you can see, we don't have a lot of hose to deal with. This is it. This is all you get. Doesn't go very far. I had to order this piece online, which is pretty much the same. It looks the same. And, you know, that was probably $40 or $50 on top of a couple $100 what this cost. I'll have to put the MSRP in the listing there, you know, in the description. So we're going to use the same one. I don't like these as much. They don't clip in as well. They're a little bit fighting. I don't have a major problem with them, but I don't like them as much as the Adams one there. And then this thing does not swivel. It moves with it, so it'll bind up. So we'll use this. We'll see how loud this system is. You'll be able to hear. We'll get the mic situated properly here, and you'll be able to hear how loud this is and the lack of hose it has. You can tell it's a lot louder and it's a lot slower to turn on and off than the Adams one is. Can't really hear what somebody's saying necessarily when it's running. It doesn't seem quite as powerful as either. I haven't flow tested or anything like that, but it doesn't seem like it's as powerful as the Adams one, in my opinion. Now this is unbiased, of course. I just got this one from my girlfriend, so of course, if she's watching, I have to say that I love it. It's the best pressure washer in the world, but in all honesty, it is a much better than this Sunjoe one. For a little bit more money, I did get it on, she did get it on Amazon Prime Day, so she got a good deal on it. But so far, it's an amazing machine, very quiet, lots of cord, very detail oriented, basically designed specifically for a detailer such as myself, and hopefully you. Yeah, no, you don't want to fall either, because you can hear me. Okay, so that's me with the hose at the back of the car. I ran out of space, I ran out of hose. So I can't even get around the corner to get the back of the SUV. So very frustrating to have to move this thing, run back here, move it up, move it back. Don't want to do that anymore. So I'm really glad I got this Adams system without having to spend more money to get a new hose. Much quieter. That's my biggest thing. I love that it's quiet. Be able to shoot videos, not have to be able to say, what? What? All in all, I'm really happy with the Adams. I would pick the Adams night and day over the Sunjoe. Of course, Sunjoe makes great products, usually cheaper, a little bit more bulky, as you can see, not really easy to put away. So all in all, I'm going to give the award to the Adams system over this Sunjoe. Of course, I would still recommend buying the Sunjoe for a beginner, but if you're doing something you're doing all the time, detailing, I would recommend getting the Adams Pressure Washer 2.0. So, I'm finished washing this car. You guys have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.